Whoa, that never happened before. Hey quilters, if we haven't met before, my name is Tim Stenrose and I'm from Willow Creations. And I hope you enjoyed my little magic trick showing you how to make these beautiful borders. Now I've got a little confession to make. I'm not really a magician. I don't play a magician on TV. In fact, I'm not even very good at magic. But the one thing that we are good at here at Willow Creations is in helping everyday quilters like you and like me to create beautiful art quilts using really simple and fast techniques. Now, I don't know about you, but if you've ever tried making one of these intricate pieced borders for your quilt, you know it's a lot of work. There are a ton of all these little pieces that you have to cut out perfectly and then sew together perfectly in order to keep all your points from being chopped off and all looking kitty wampus. And we don't want that, do we? We want perfect looking points like you see right here on this border. And I just did this in a couple minutes right before your eyes, showing you how quick and easy that is. And I only used 3 pieces of fabric, not 180, 3. So I'd love to show you how I do that and how I do some of our other art quilting techniques. And so I put together this little mini class that I want to invite you to absolutely free. All you have to do to attend is to click the button that you see either on the screen, should be there, or just go visit artquiltsmadeeasy.com. And we're going to give you a free mini class where you can attend and find out exactly how I do this border. And in fact, you can make this exact border because we're going to offer you, for attending, we're going to give you access to a free pattern set that you can use to make this exact border for your own quilts. So click the button on the screen or come visit us at artquiltsmadeeasy.com and join us for that class. I can't wait to see you there.